Okay, so this is how I built a $10,000 funnel in 2025 in under 60 seconds. So let's go. First, we're going to start by creating an account on System.io. So go to getsitemo.com and click on Start Selling Online. Then choose the option that says I already have a website or a blog and click Continue. You'll then be taken to a page where you can enter your website URL. But since we don't have a website just yet, we're going to click on Build a Free Website and then choose the second option that says I want to build my website from scratch. Once you've done that, click Continue, and now you should see the drag and drop editor. And all you need to do here is pick a template and customize it to match your brand. Now, since I'm doing this demo on camera, I'm actually going to speed this part up. So let's fast forward. Alright, so now that we're done customizing our website, we can now move on to step 2, which is to set up our funnel. So click on Funnels in the top navigation bar and then click on Create a New Funnel. You will then be taken to the funnel builder where you can start adding different elements to your funnel such as email, opt-in forms, webinars, sales pages, thank you pages, and more. Now for this particular funnel, I'm going to be using a simple 2-step setup which consists of an opt-in page and a sales page. So to add an opt-in form, all you need to do is click on the plus icon and then choose the option that says Email Opt-in. Then select the opt-in form template that you want to use and then click on Save. You can then customize the opt-in form to match your brand by changing the colors, fonts, images, and more. And once you're done with that, you can move on to the next step, which is to set up the thank you page. To do that, simply click on the thank you page element and then click on Edit. You can then customize the thank you page to match your branding, and once you're redone with that, you can move on to the final step, which is setting up the sales page. To do that, simply click on the sales page element and then click on Edit. You can then customize the sales page to match your branding, and you can also add some content such as a video or some text. Once you're done with that, you can move on to the next step, which is to set up the payment integration. To do that, simply click on the payment button and then click on Settings. You can then connect your Stripe or PayPal account to your funnel. Now before we move on to the next step, make sure to take note of your affiliate link. This is the link that you're going to be sharing with your audience, and it's important that you keep track of it. Alright, so now that we're done setting up the funnel, we can move on to the next step, which is to promote it. There are a variety of different ways that you can promote your funnel, such as through social media, paid ads, email marketing, and more. For this demo, I'm going to be using social media, but you can choose whatever method works best for you. Once you've decided on your promotion method, you can start promoting your funnel and start driving traffic to your opt-in page. When people sign up for your opt-in page, they'll be directed to your thank you page and then finally to your sales page where they can purchase your product. Now if you want to take things to the next level, you can set up some email automation to nurture leads and promote your product. To do that, simply click on Automations in the top navigation bar and then click on Create a New Automation. You can then choose from one of the pre-built automation templates, or you can create your own custom automation. Once you've created your automation, you can start sending out email campaigns to promote your product. Alright, so now that we've set up our funnel and started promoting it, the next step is to start analyzing the data. It's important that you keep track of your funnel metrics so that you can see what's working and what's not working. This way you can make adjustments as needed and improve your funnel over time. To analyze your funnel data, simply click on Analytics in the top navigation bar. Here you'll be able to see your funnel metrics such as the number of visitors, leads, customers, and revenue. And there you have it. That's how I built a $10,000 funnel in 2025 using System.io. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.